today we will not be baking anything, but we will actually be talking about baking related things. So the number one question that I always get is, what is the recipe in cups or teaspoons or tablespoons? I actually don't have an answer to that. So I usually just suggest you guys to go online and search for conversion factors. So here I have gathered all the conversion factors that I think that usually what my recipe calls for, and we are going to go over it one by one today. And I will also list it out all out in the bottom bar so you guys don't have to copy everything down as I go. So I have gathered everything here, and I have my little cheat sheet here, so you might be seeing me peeking down to just look at this because I don't have this memorized. And let's get started with the dry ingredients. I have all-purpose flour here, as you can see. So there's actually 3 types of flour that I have known of, like that I bake with usually. So it's all-purpose flour, bread flour, and cake flour. So actually, the measurements with all-purpose flour and bread flour is the same. So 1 cup of flour, not cake flour, is about 140 grams. So I don't have cake flour with me. So cake flour, cornstarch, and powdered sugar is actually measured the same. So 1 cup of that, it's 110 grams. White sugar and brown sugar, granulated, are 1 cup is about 200 grams. Cocoa powder. I just have regular unsweetened cocoa powder here. 1 cup is about 91 grams. So while I've gone over all the dry ingredients, let's go over the wet ingredients. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is milk and cream. I actually just have cream here just to show. I don't want to take out that whole gallon of milk out. So that 1 cup of cream or milk is about 230 grams. So let's go with butter. This is like the thing that I always add because they taste so good. So butter, 1 cup is around 2 sticks, and it's around 220 grams. Water, you don't see this often, but I still sometimes add it to my recipe. So 1 cup of water is about 230 grams. And then I have corn syrup and honey. They all measure the same because I think the density of these 2 things are around the same. So 1 cup of corn syrup or honey is about 310 grams. It's so sticky. So 1 cup of oil is about 200 grams. So I'm going to tell you guys some common units for dry measurements. So 3 teaspoons equals 1 tablespoon, and that equals to 14 grams. That goes to like dry ingredients. That's like a rough estimate. And 4 tablespoons is about 1/4 of a cup, which is around 56 grams. So this is pretty much all you need to know about measuring things wise, going from cups to grams or grams to cups. So I actually did a little example here just in case that people might be still confused, don't know how to convert things, because you don't always need 1 cup of this or 1 cup of that. You sometimes need 1/4 of a cup, 3/8 of a cup. So using the metric system is much more accurate and much more easier to handle, because sometimes they call for I don't know, 1/12 of a cup. I don't know where to get 1/12 of a cup, so usually I just have to estimate. But when you're using a scale, you don't have to estimate. The scale tells you how much you have. So for the purpose of people in America usually just use the cup system because it's much easier. So I have just did a really simple example here. I just written it down. So if the recipe calls for 100 grams of oil, I'm just gonna do it the chemistry way because I'm just used to doing that. So I just kind of multiply it. You just usually divide it by the grams. So 1 cup of oil equals 200 grams of oil. So I multiply by the conversion factor, and I get 1/2 a cup of oil. So 100 grams of oil is just equivalent to 1/2 cup of oil. So these are the units that you will need to convert from grams to cups. So next time, remember to check this video first before asking me, because I have actually went online, to find all these conversion factors for you guys. So hope you guys have a good day and happy holidays. And by the way, I'm trying to brainstorm ideas to bake for the holidays. I want new video ideas. I don't know what to make. I don't know what you guys want to see. So comment down below and tell me what you guys see. So happy holidays, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.